Hi guys, welcome back to FinPact. The Shiba Inu token has decreased by around 25% in the last 24 hours. And the trading volume has decreased also by 54.69%. So, this was the hottest token that people were talking about. But I did say in my previous video how speculative this token is. So I don't personally own any Shiba Inu tokens. I have mentioned in my previous video that I don't own any. It is also a very speculative token, and I don't have a large chunk of my portfolio dedicated to speculative tokens. Obviously all cryptos, just the nature of any market is a bit of speculation combined with fundamentals. But obviously there is some that are quite similar to other tokens and don't provide too much of a differentiation to what they're offering. So I think those tend to be the most speculative. Its all-time high was around here, and it's 79% below that. Wow. However, there has been some bullish sentiment that the Shiba Inu token is going to rally by 50%. Again, this is not even near its all-time high. Currently, we're, as I mentioned, 79% below its all-time high. So it says that the price suffered a significant crash along with the top altcoins. Of course, this was due to the news I mentioned in my previous video, with regards to Elon Musk's tweets, China banning financial institutions from providing cryptocurrency services. But we've also seen other news recently, which has caused the entire crypto market to crash, which is the Biden IRS disclosure of all crypto transactions that are $10,000 and up. So all of these things combined has caused pretty much most of the altcoins we can see on CoinMarketCap to be pretty much in the red. Some are showing some good retracement, but I will talk about this in a separate video. And usually coins that are speculative tend to have corrections a lot larger than what we see in more established blue chip cryptocurrencies, like coins that have their own blockchain, like Cardano. So tokens tend to be by nature more speculative unless they provide a use case scenario. And it says that this drop came as all other cryptos basically fell. Major players, Ethereum, Bitcoin, had massive falls following the new ban from China, as I mentioned. But what also happened was that Vitalik Buterin actually had a bunch of Shiba Inu tokens, and he decided to burn it, which I think was very kind of him to do, rather than, dump it and the price would be driven down even further. What I mean by this is that when he burns the tokens he has, that means he's eliminating them from the supply. So that means the total supply is more scarce. And when the supply is more scarce, that means there is less price tanks, even though we have seen the price tank, but that was mainly due to the market corrections we saw overall with the news. Burning coins refers to the act of sending a token to an unusable account and removing it from circulation, which diminishes supply and increases scarcity. So supply and demand, economics, lower supply, higher price. Now, what's also key is that, how I always tell you guys, these kind of coins, tokens, tend to be more speculative. Well, we can see this confirmed here. This was said on FX Street that considering that meme-based coins are almost exclusively on speculation, a particular action does not always mean that its value will skyrocket. They tend to be based mainly on community support, people buying to drive the price up. So people collectively coming together to drive the price up. So even the Shiba Inu team basically labeled the platform as an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building, which sounds like a community coming together, buying the token, driving the price up, which is basically what speculation even is. However, that's not to say that can't work. Of course that can. That's happened. We've seen that happen with other coins, other tokens that, communities come together, drive the price up and the price rockets. People make a lot of profits. But usually when people make a lot of profit, you're also seeing a lot of people make some losses. So we can even see here that it says that the meme coin market is on fire. So the speculations are super high there, aren't they? Thanks to the steady stream of positive promotion from celebrities, well-known business personnel, meme coins have experienced... Oh, I always do that. I bang into my mic. Now, this is key. It says here, the interesting thing about this scenario is that meme coins are not really a technological upgrade or revolution. They're more a social phenomenon. That brings me back to that point I was just saying about how it tends to be, rather than the actual use case, it's about people coming together driving the price up. So, that's why I think the rallies tend not to always last. Many people who missed out on this coin here, I won't be saying the name, basically wanted to find the next alternative to that. And this coin seems to have positioned them in a way that they can perhaps do that and 100x returns or something. Also, the Shiba Inu traders have gained access to a lot of major exchanges. Each exchange listing has helped to boost the price of it further, because when Binance listed it, the token's price doubled. Obviously, when it's listed on major exchanges, it's a lot easier for people to buy it and then store it in a wallet rather than, going on to swaps like Uniswap. Binance's CEO tweeted that the exchange ran out of ETH deposit addresses due to Shiba Inu token that day. So Changpeng said that when he labeled the project as exciting but very high risk, he basically means that, that it's exciting because there's a lot of community support, and yes, maybe the price can rally, but the price can also tank like it just did when the market crash happened, and that it was a much larger drop in price than you saw in more established coins or tokens, but more so coins. So now this is also interesting, and this is for Shiba Inu token. What problems does Shiba Inu token solve? And Shiba Inu provides users with more earning potential. The main goal behind the project was to create an ERC20 token and an ecosystem that was priced low enough so that basically people that could, if they bought them, they could potentially make a lot of money from them. I'm not saying that's a good or a bad investment. I'm just saying it's a very risky investment, and I'm pretty sure you will find that written most places, and it's very speculative, but anything speculative is very risky. So I'm not someone who actually likes to invest in speculative tokens too much. I'm too scared. I do sometimes invest in some speculative tokens for fun, but when it's something that is speculative but for the purpose of just making 100x returns, that's not really a use case in my mind. But that's not to say people can't invest and make returns, because that's obviously a case, but I see it sometimes a bit like winning the lottery. Now let's just have a look at what else Shiba Inu offers. So the main utility of the token is the Shiba Inu ecosystem. So this token basically serves things like paying fees and paying rewards, and you can use it as a cryptocurrency, as a transfer of value. So users can send value globally in seconds using Shib. You can pay with it. It's secure and reliable. Well, I don't know, if the price is so volatile, I don't know how reliable that makes it. Something that I do really like about Shiba Inu is the Shibaswap exchange. So the Shibaswap exchange is a decentralized exchange. This is basically a platform that will let people trade their tokens and with other ERC20 compatible tokens. So anything that's built on the Ethereum blockchain directly from their wallets. Now, I think this is good. This is going to be good for it. Basically, non-custodial exchanges are more secure than centralized exchanges because they don't hold large cryptocurrencies, which can be, prone to risks of security. So another unique part of Shiba Inu is the artist Incubator. So this is basically a network that encourages the creation of unique NFTs. So this is another thing that's making it stand out more and more. So it's helping further the meme atmosphere, but it's definitely capitalizing on the whole NFT space. The website invites artists from around the world to basically submit their work and be part of the NFT market. This is an interesting point they've said. One of the best parts of Shiba Inu is that it doesn't have anything to do with the blockchain. Normally this is a negative for me. However, they have said that the developers have set up a network to integrate Amazon Smile. In case you don't know, Amazon Smile is a website that is operated by Amazon, and it basically features the same products at the same prices as a standard Amazon site, but the difference is that they donate to a charity, to a chosen charity of your choice. It will donate 0.5% of the cost of all eligible products to your chosen charity. You guys know I really like it when tokens or coins incorporate the charity element, because I'm all for doing good in the world when it comes to, a lot of these tokens tend to be out there for, investing, right? So if a portion of that can go to charity, I think that's great. So yeah, it says they have set up the network to integrate Amazon Smile. So this interconnectivity allows users to donate to help save lives of real Shiba Inus. Oh, little dogs. I like that. So yeah, and according to these developers, there are thousands of dogs seeking new homes, and the project hopes to play a vital role in accomplishing this task. Okay, I do love this part, and I, as a dog lover, for this bit. Love it. And just so in case you guys don't know, you can buy Shiba Inu on Binance and Gate.io. Gate.io is good for USA residents, and Binance says here is better for Australia, Canada, Singapore, UK. I mean, I use Binance personally. I mean, I don't own Shiba Inu, but I do use Binance. We also have another piece of good news, which is the Shiba Swap, which I mentioned earlier what it is, and the Coinbase petition. So the good news is that Shiba Swap is going to launch, and we should be able to finally see, you know, the Shiba Swap exchange, which will allow us to use that as a exchange to buy the token for automatic exchange. Yeah, so similar to like Uniswap, which is, as you know, dedicated for ERC20 conversions. So, and the second thing is that there was a petition on change.org to basically introduce Shiba token to the popular exchange Coinbase, which will definitely help the price rally. But right now the price is obviously going to be quite subdued. That was a very polite way of putting it. These sort of things that when the overall crypto market does start doing well again, then we'll see price rallies. But right now, whilst the major coins like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, you know, whichever are in the top, once it starts going back up, then we'll see things like these news pieces for Shiba being actually incorporated in their price. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of these cryptocurrency review videos, and if you have other coins, tokens you want me to review, please leave it in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, hit that like button, as I do make new videos every single week. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on this time-sensitive information. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!